I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Targaye Nicole. If you're new here, if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for following me, and I really appreciate it. On this channel, we do budgeting, Etsy, new releases, Poshmark, not really, and planner and budgeting related videos. So today I'm going to do another quick one on the Capital One tutorial. My Capital One link will be linked down below if you don't have a Capital One account. I really do love them. They're one of my favorites so far that I've tried. So let's get right into this video. So as you can see, I'm on my www.capitalone.com site, and this is the main site, and then you would just log in. So I hit my sign in button, my password and my username information will come up, but I have it set up for fingerprint, so I'm just going to use my fingerprint to log in. It will automatically log me in, and then I'm waiting. So when my accounts come up, as you guys know, this tutorial is about changing the names on my account. Someone did ask me to do this, so I'm going to do a quick one. Let's say I wanted to change the goo off of Giggity. So when you see your accounts, they're originally just numbers, like the 2818 or whatever. So if you want to change it to give it a name, all you have to do is click your little picture up in the right hand corner and go to settings. I'm sorry, it says settings and it says accounts and feature settings. And when you get to this page, all you do is click the little pencil mark all the way to the right. So when I hit the pencil, it'll set edit account, and then you click into the box, which usually will be empty, and then you just click whatever you want to write and under the nickname. And so like if I wanted to take off guilt, if you're self-grace, and let's say I want to call it, now you only get 30 characters, so I can't put and not guilt, or maybe I can. Let's see. I think that's too many. Yeah, so I've used too many, but as you can see what I'm saying. Give yourself grace, not guilt. So let's see if we can add a character. I'm not sure if you can add a character. No, you can't. You can't use special characters, but you guys get the point. And I actually use that as my primary, so right now, so that's fine. That's why I clicked that, but you do not have to have that, but I'm going to do it. And that's it, guys. And then you hit save, and you go back, and it's named what you wanna call it. Now, I have noticed though, when I first set up an account, I don't know if they think you're going to change your mind or what, or it has to process through the system, that you can't always do this right away, but try it. Definitely try it. But there's been times when I tried to change it like within the first day or two and it gave me problems, but within like 3 to 4 days, you can go in here and just make your quick changes and change your names. All right, guys, that was it for that one. A really quick one again. I hope you're enjoying these. If you are enjoying my short tutorials or you want to know how to do anything else on the Capital One website, let me know. My name is Targaye Nicole, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. And if you think someone else would like this information or learn from this information from the video, don't forget to share it on your Twitter, your Instagram, anywhere you want to share it with family, friends, loved ones, or even the people you don't like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.